Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! Remember back in Grammar 1.5.1, we learned how to say how many. For example, how many cups do you have? 你有几个杯子? How many people are there in your family? 你家有几口人? Right? So how many is 几个,几口, 几 plus a measure word. But remember, 几 typically is used with a number fewer than 10, right? So when you're asking 你有几个杯子, the answer is probably going to be something fewer than 10. 你家有几口人? You're expecting a number probably fewer than 10, right? But what if you want to ask for a larger number, like how many students do you have in your school? Obviously, it's going to be larger than 10, right? Or how much is this cup? It might be a larger number than 10. So in this video, we're going to learn how to ask for a generic number, how to ask for a number greater than 10, or how to ask for amounts like money. Yeah, because you want to be able to ask for any number. You don't want to just limit yourself in asking a number fewer than 10, right? So that's what we're going to look at in this video. Let's turn our textbook to page 58, and let's take a look at grammar point number 2. So the simpler version is how many can be expressed with the word 多少,多少. Do you know what 多 and 少 literally means? Yeah, 多 means a lot, right, or many, and 少 is few, right? So 多少 is many, few, right? Is it many or is it few, right? So 多少 is a question word meaning how much, how many. For example, how many students do you have in your school? 你们学校有多少学生? 多少 can also be followed by a measure word like 个, the generic measure word 个. 你们学校有多少个学生? Or omitting the 个 is also fine. 你们学校有多少学生? Also fine. How many Chinese teachers do you have? 你有多少汉语老师? Or with a measure word, 你有多少个汉语老师? Also fine. How much is this cup? 这个杯子多少钱? That's how much is this cup. Ken, 你的杯子多少钱?
2块钱。你的呢？
我的1块钱。Okay, to recap, how do you say how many teachers do you have? 你有多少个老师? Or simply, 你有多少老师? That's fine too. How about how much is this cup? 这个杯子多少钱? Perfect. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.